Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2088 code? This code means the Camshaft Position Actuator control circuit on bank 1 is receiving a low voltage signal. If ignored, it can affect variable valve timing VVT operation and reduce engine performance. P2088 stands for Camshaft Position Actuator Control Circuit Low, bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU is detecting low voltage in the VVT actuator circuit on the bank 1 side of the engine. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, and sometimes engine noise. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The Camshaft Position Actuator VVT Solenoid is located on the cylinder head near the camshaft on bank 1. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. The actuator is installed at the front or top of the engine cylinder head and connected to the timing system. The wiring harness connects the VVT solenoid directly to the ECU in the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, scan live camshaft timing data. Inspect the VVT solenoid connector for loose wiring or corrosion. Check for low voltage supply or poor ground. Also inspect engine oil level and condition, as dirty oil can affect actuator function. If voltage remains low, the VVT solenoid or wiring may require replacement. Finally, repair wiring faults, replace the faulty actuator if needed, clear the code, and perform a road test. Fixing P2088 will restore proper valve timing and smooth engine performance.